So in this video I will tell you how to download any image from Google document. So here is the article that I received from a writer, and now I have to upload this article on my website, so I have to download this image as well. So to download this image you will right click on it, and there you don't see any option to download, so you will click on view more options and you have to click on save to keep. So when you will click on it, you may have to log into Google Keep using your Gmail ID. So once you have done that, you will see this sidebar where you will see your image. And now if you want to download the image, you will just right click on it, and then you can click on save image as, and you will write down the title of the image, and then you can save the file and download, and you can use it anywhere, wherever you want to upload. So thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more related videos.